Welcome Tesla enthusiasts. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of installing the Thinkware U3000 dashcam with the iVolt Xtra external battery in your Tesla. But first, let's delve into why installing a dashcam in your Tesla is a game changer. Why install a dashcam in your Tesla? Now, let's address the limitations of Tesla's built-in dashcam. While it serves its purpose, it falls short of professional standards. Tesla's dashcam only offers a resolution of 1280 by 960 and a limited viewing angle of 60 degrees. On the other hand, professional dashcams provide a lowest image quality of 1920 by 1080 and supporting up to 4K. With a general viewing angle of 120 degrees or more, professional dashcams excel in capturing more details and a broader range of situations. The absence of sound recording in Tesla's built-in cameras can be a significant drawback. In scenarios like minor accidents or important conversations, crucial audio details are not captured, potentially hindering your ability to secure additional evidence. But don't worry, a dashcam steps in as your silent witness. It's invaluable, capable of recording conversations and ambient sounds during an accident, providing that crucial audio edge. Additionally, Tesla owners face the inconvenience of removing the memory card and connecting it to a computer. But fear not, most professional dashcams also offer a user-friendly solution. They allow video saving directly to your smartphone through a wireless mobile app connection. It's a streamlined and efficient solution, making the process much more accessible for users. Continuous use of Tesla's Sentry mode, which is parking mode equivalent, consumes approximately 10% of battery per day. Recharging this drain takes a substantial 5 hours using a standard household outlet. But don't worry, we've got a solution, the dashcam-specific external battery. Why install a dashcam with an external battery? This external power source, like the iVolt Xtra, is charged through the vehicle's accessory battery while driving. The dashcam then utilizes the energy stored in this external battery, eliminating the concerns about depleting the vehicle's primary battery. Moreover, while traditional dashcam parking modes often require hardwiring to the fuse box or using an OBD2 cable, Tesla's unique design lacks a general fuse box and OBD2 port. That's where an external battery comes in handy, providing a continuous power supply even when your vehicle's parked. How to install the iVolt Xtra external battery. Now, let's dive into the installation process of the iVolt Xtra external battery. Step 1. Remove the seat kick panels. Begin by taking off the center kick panels on both the driver and passenger sides. Step 2. Disassemble the center console. Focus on the card key recognition section as you proceed to remove the center console. Step 3. Connect the Y cable and input cable. Utilize the provided Y cable to connect with the input cable of the iVolt Xtra battery. Ensure a proper connection by linking the V+ cables and the black and ground cables. Step 4. Thread the cable through the center kick spaces. Insert the input cable through the spaces in the driver and passenger seat center kicks, utilizing the open center console area. Step 5. Connect the Y cable to Tesla's socket. Securely connect the two sockets of the Y cable to the corresponding Tesla socket. Step 6. Organize the Y cable and reassemble the console. Neatly organize the Y cable and reassemble the center console, ensuring a clean and tidy setup. Step 7. Connect the input and output cables to the battery. Attach the input and output cables to the iVolt Xtra battery. Step 8. Secure the battery with Velcro tape. Place the battery into the designated space and use Velcro tape to securely fasten it in place. Step 9. Remove the driver's side panel and pedal top cover. This will provide easier access for the installation process. Step 10. Prepare for the ACC-in cable. Extract the visible white connector to facilitate the connection process. Step 11. Connect the ACC-in cable. Connect the ACC-in cable from the output cable to the red cable connection at the bottom left, securing it in place with electrical tape. Now that the iVolt Xtra external battery is securely in place, let's move on to installing the Thinkware U3000 dashcam. How to install the Thinkware U3000 dashcam. Step 1. Connect the battery output cable and the dashcam hardwiring cable. Ensure a color-coded match, and then route the hardwiring cable to the designated front camera installation location. Step 2. Organize the rear camera cable. Reach its installation point and proceed to install the rear camera. Optimal positioning is at the top center of the rear window. Step 3. Apply heat blocking film and affix the front camera. Once the front camera's installation location is determined, apply the heat blocking film to the windshield before affixing the front camera and securing it in place with the mount. Step 4. Connect the DC power jack, communication cable, and rear camera cable to their respective ports on the dashcam. Step 5. To enable voice notifications for the remaining battery level, ensure that you activate the Use External Battery option within the Thinkware Dashcam Link app. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to install the Thinkware U3000 dashcam with the iVolt Xtra external battery in your Tesla. For additional tips and techniques, check out our How to Install Dashcam video and the Top 5 Tips to Hide Dashcam Cables video. Congratulations, Tesla enthusiasts! You've successfully navigated through the intricate process of installing the Thinkware U3000 dashcam with the iVolt Xtra external battery in your Tesla. Now you're equipped with an enhanced surveillance system and the convenience of continuous power supply.